Good afternoon, class. My name is Oscar Ngosi. Today we are looking at money and banking under microeconomics. But before we go deeply into money and banking, first let us look at some of the outcomes that I expect you as a learner to have achieved by the end of our lesson today. And our learning outcomes says that by the end of this session, you as a learner, you should be able to define money. Number 2, you should be able to define banking. Number 3, you should be able to state functions of money. And number 5, you should be able to classify money. After looking at the learning outcomes, our next subtopic is definition of terms. And some of the terms that we will come across during these sessions include money, banking, and several others. But for now, let us define what money is. And money is defined as any asset that is generally acceptable in transactions and in settlement of debts. We also have bank, and we can say that bank is any financial institution licensed to receive, deposit, and make loans. We also have banking, and we can say that banking refers to a business activity of receiving, safeguarding, and lending money owned by other individuals in order to conduct economic activities. After that, let us now look at some of the characteristics of money. As we all know, money has several characteristics, and these characteristics include durability, acceptability, divisibility, portability, and scarcity. Let us give some brief explanation about these characteristics. When we say money should be durable or durability, we can say that money should be able to retain its original form, substance, and shape over a prolonged period of time or forever. Acceptability, we can say that for money to perform its function well, individuals and businesses must accept it in exchange of goods and services. We have also divisibility, and under divisibility we can say that for money to be a unit of account and store of value, people should be able to divide it into smaller units so that it can be easier to use the medium in exchange of goods and services of varying values. We also have portability, and under portability we can say that money should be easier to carry around so as to allow exchange of goods and services between individuals and businesses. We have also scarcity, and under scarcity we can say that the more people have money, the less valuable it becomes. Or in other words, money becomes valuable when it is limited in supply. And then after we have looked at the characteristics of money, we also have some functions of money. And some of the functions of money include we can say that money acts as a medium of exchange. We can also say that money acts as a measure of value. Function number 3, we can also say that money acts as a standard of deferred payments. Function number 4, we can say that money acts as a basis of credit. Function number 5, we can say that money acts as a unit of account. And lastly, we can say that money acts as a store of value or purchasing power. Money is also classified into various categories, and with me I have several categories listed down. Let us look at them one by one. So money is classified into 4 major categories, and these categories include metal money, and we have under metal money we have gold, we have silver, we have diamond, and we have copper. We also have paper money, and under paper money is just current notes or bank notes. We have credit money, and then we also have quasi money. And metal money, we have different types of money. We have metal money, e.g. gold, silver, diamond, and copper. We also have paper money, and under paper money is just the current notes or bank notes. We also have credit money, and lastly we have quasi money. Let us now summarize our session today by listing down some of the characteristics of money. And some of the money characteristics we said is durability, scarcity, acceptability, divisibility, portability, and many more others. I'm sure you will do some research on characteristics of money so that you can add on what I have given you. Before we end our session today, I'll leave you with an assignment, and the assignment says that discuss various types of financial institutions, their characteristics and functions, and this assignment will be presented in our next lesson. This marks the end of our session today. Until we meet next time, please stay safe, put on your masks always, get vaccinated, and avoid COVID-19. Goodbye.